Hi everyone, this is Yuvraj Kumar from NY IT Solution. Today we are going to show the basic timesheet app we created in Zoho Creator. In today's world, most of the companies and industries using timesheet to track their employee hours they worked in projects, which help them to create the bill against their client on time. So now you are seeing the app which has three modules we created. One is employee, another one is projects and timesheet. In employees, we created a fields like name, email, phone, address, portal access and status. In projects, we created a fields like project name, the contact person of the project contact person email and contact person phone number, and who are all the employees working in the project and the status of the project. And here we can see the timesheet. In timesheet, we have approve, reject, the status of the timesheet, the date of timesheet submitted, employee, project, worked hours, and remarks. So now I'm going to show you how the employee form works. Now I'm creating the employee, just adding the employee here. I'm just adding the name, email ID, phone number, address, status. While we are creating the employee, the basic default status is active and we have two statuses. Yes, while we creating the employee, we providing the portal access where they get the invitation to access the timesheet application from their end. I am submitting this record. Once I am submitting the record, you can able to see the information here, and to this email, the invitation sent to the employee, where the employee able to access the timesheet app from their end. So now I am opening and showing you the email invitation which I got as an employee. So this is the email invitation I got. I'm just opening this. So in this invitation, I having the create new password to sign up for the portal. I'm just creating the password. Accessing. So now I can see the timesheet app and timesheet only for me, where I can add a timesheet here as an employee. Now I'm going back to the application. So the next I added the employee. Now I'm going to create a project. I already have two projects. I can assign that employee in this project as well. I'm just editing one of the project. In employee, I can see that new employee I have added. I'm just assigning in that project. As well, I can create a new project. So I'm just creating the project against Britannia. Contact person Segu. Just so I can assign the employee here who can work in this project. So I am assigning the new employee I have added and just submitting the project. So the new project got created here. So now we created the new employee. The employee got the invitation to access the portal. And now I created the project and assigned that new employee to the project. So here I can see the two tabs in timesheet in the admin portal. timesheet report which show you all the employees submitted timesheet here. Timesheet employee is nothing but this is the employee submitted timesheet will come here. So it will not show any information because it will show as a filtered data. The employee only see their data. So as an admin, we need to use the timesheet report only. Now as an employee, I'm going to add a timesheet. I'm just going as the employee portal. This is the employee portal. I can see only the timesheet because I'm not admin, I'm just employee now. So now I am adding a record here to submit my timesheet for today. So I am added a timesheet. I'm just added a timesheet now. The date, current date, it will take on automatically. The employee, the name will take on automatically. I'm not able to select any other employee. By default, my name will be selected. It will show only the project where I assigned. I assigned for 2 projects out of 3 projects. So it only showing 2 projects here. So now I'm adding the timesheet for where I have worked for one of the project. I'm adding Nippon Paints. I worked for 6 hours for today. So as a status waiting for approval is the default status where employee can't change this. I'm just submitting this record here. So once I have submitted, it will look like this. Okay. The status is waiting for approval. Then what happened? It's notify the admin in the application where the employees submitted their timesheet. Now you can see I'm just came to the admin portal. In the admin portal, I can see the notification as 1. So something was happened. I'm just clicking it. I can see here Yuvraj Kumar timesheet submitted. Timesheet submitted by Yuvraj Kumar for 31st December 2024. So now what I'm doing, I'm just clicking on the timesheet report. I can see here at the top the timesheet which was submitted by the Yuvraj Kumar. So I can do approve, reject here. So now I can do approve or reject. So as a first step, I'm approving this timesheet. I'm just clicking on approve. It asks for the confirmation. I'm just clicking yes. So now you can see the status got updated as approved. And also the employee get notification about this approval via email. So now I'm going to the employee portal and showing you the email which I got. So now you can see here timesheet for 31st December got approved. Hi Yuvraj Kumar, your timesheet for the date got approved. Best records the time. So this notification will be received by the particular employee. Now I'm going to access the employee portal to see the status. Now I can see the status is approved. So this is how for the approve concept it will work. Now you can. So now I am adding another timesheet which I forgot to add for yesterday. You can consider. I'm just adding for yesterday, and I worked for in Britannia project, and I worked for 10 hours. Consider as I worked for 10 hours, and I'm submitting this timesheet. So as we submitted, the status will be the waiting for approval. Then what happened? The admin got notified in the admin portal. So I can see here Yuvraj timesheet submitted for 30 December, which we did right now. In timesheet report, I can see the new timesheet was there, and I can do approve or reject. For approve, I already shown. So now I am showing you the reject concept. Once I click reject, it asks for the confirmation. I click yes, and it asks for the reason for rejection. Why you are rejecting this? So I can consider worked hour. It's showing 10 hours. So I am considering hours mentioned was too high. So the reason is this, and I'm submitting this. Then what happened? Then automatically the status got rejected. As the same way how the approval, once approved, the employee got notified in email. The same thing while we are rejecting, the employee get notified via email about the rejection. I'm just going to the employee email. You can see here timesheet for 30 December got rejected. Hi Yuvraj, your timesheet for the date got rejected. A reason hours mentioned was too high. So it show you the reasons too. So once they are login to their employee portal, it will shows the status rejected, and in remarks it will show what is the reason for rejection. So this will give you the basic idea about how the basic timesheet app work in Zoho Creator, which we created. It is a very high level app where we will enhance this to next level, and we can create advanced timesheet app also in Zoho Creator. Based on your needs and requirement, it will be considered, and we can create any complex app also as like timesheet application also in this place. So this will helps many companies by industries to easily manage their timesheet, their employee timesheet, and track their employee hours which they utilized in projects. So we can easily see how much hours their employee worked in that project, and based on that they can easily bill their client on time. So this is the basic timesheet app we created. Please give your comments below where you have any doubts, or you have any requirement, or you want to enhance this application to next level. So please give us a feedback, so we will give you the solutions in comments. Thank you.